everybody, and welcome to week 4 of English 9 Pre-AP. I wanted to take a minute to walk you through our Canvas class, the assignments this week, and what to expect both in the Canvas class and in the classroom. So if you'll join me walking through Canvas, we're going to go in the modules, and we'll look at the To Kill a Mockingbird module and scroll down to week 4, August 24th through 28th. You'll see that you're going to be reading chapters 12 through 21 and taking the August Evaluate. On Thursday and Friday, when you guys come to class, we're going to be watching some of the scenes from the trial. That's chapters 17 to 21. We're also going to be discussing those chapters and analyzing Atticus's closing speech in chapter 20. So I recommend reading chapters 12 to 21 before you come to class on Thursday and Friday. It's okay if you want to put off doing the activities with those chapters, but do the reading so you can fully participate in the discussion, in the viewing, and in the analysis. All right. Outside of class, what I want you guys to do with these chapters are a couple of things. With 12 to 16, but again, you can do this anytime after your reading, you're going to be writing 2 poems, a pair of point of view poems. If you guys check out the assignment sheet here, it tells you what to be doing. It gives you all the requirements. And then if you go back, you'll see there's a model posted so you can see what the poem should look like, format, content, level of formality, all of those things. At the bottom of the assignment, you'll see the rubric, how you guys are going to be graded. So please look that over before you submit your poems. If you have questions in this assignment, it's a great idea to look it over before you come to class Thursday and Friday, and you can ask those questions in class. All right, back to the modules. The second assignment deals with the trial chapters. That's chapters 17 through 21. That's from the first witness testimony all the way through the verdict. So as you guys read these chapters, I want you guys to think about the comparison contrast between the trial of Tom Robinson and that of the real Scottsboro Boys. So I've linked here a Common Lit article for you to read. It's a PDF, so it will download just like this. You'll open it up. Read about the actual Scottsboro Boys. If you would like to learn more, I certainly encourage you to do that research and look it over. Then once you've read both the chapters and about the real trial, I want you to come back here and answer this question in paragraph form, comparing and contrasting the trial of the real Scottsboro Boys and the fictional trial of Tom Robinson in To Kill a Mockingbird. All right, our final assignment in this week's module is the August Evaluate. Now, I know this is not the most engaging assignment. I know this test is boring. You took it in middle school. It seems pointless. But I want you guys to think about this as practice for the end of course assessment you're going to need to take at the end of English 11 to graduate high school, as well as other big standardized tests like the SAT and the ACT. So please do your best. To that end, I've asked you to actually engage in a discussion here, to set some goals for the score you like to achieve after you take the test and hear those login instructions, to reflect on how you did. What was your actual score? And what are some reasons that you either exceeded your goal score or that you didn't quite make it there? Were there things within the test or distractions around you that kept you from getting there? And that will help me know if there are skills we need to work on in class, or will also help you know if there are things you need to try to amend before you take the September Evaluate. So try your best, post that reflection here so I can read it. You will notice the August Evaluate will stay open until August 31st. So if there's an assignment from this week you need to put off, I recommend that it's the August Evaluate. It will stay open. You'll also notice I have not yet graded your essays for Once Upon a Time. I do have plans to get those finished by early next week, but I haven't gotten them done yet. So definitely read for class Thursday and Friday, but if you haven't gotten the activities done, that's no big deal. I'll keep you posted on when I get those essay grades in, and if you see any missing assignments in the meantime, please get those in as well. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend, that you have a great start to your week, that you enjoy these chapters, and I look forward to seeing you in